Here is NUCIDA's weekly forecast of expected post activities in the realm of software quality on social media channels for week 01 of 2026. Our analysis is based on the social media post data from LinkedIn, YouTube, X, and other internet sources released last week, which revealed dynamic daily changes. I'll leverage the provided web results, which cover software quality trends for 2025, and combine them with logical extrapolation of ongoing conversations in the tech community. The ranking is based on the prominence of topics in recent publications, their relevance to current software quality challenges, and their engagement potential on the mentioned platforms. Each topic's ranking reflects its immediacy, impact, and discussion volume, with reasons for placement and a forecast for future trends included. So, what will be the top 10 hot topics this week? Buckle up and let's start the countdown. 10. Observability and monitoring in production. Shift-right testing, which focuses on quality validation after deployment through production monitoring, chaos engineering, real user metrics, and continuous feedback loops, remains a steady topic in late 2025 discussions. It complements shift-left by ensuring software performs reliably in live environments amid increasing system complexity and frequent releases. Recent articles highlight its role in reducing surprise outages and building resilience in microservices and cloud-native architectures. My advice is to build a comprehensive observability strategy from the start by prioritizing the 4 golden signals: latency, traffic, errors, and saturation, integrating tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or OpenTelemetry for distributed tracing, and establishing automated alerting thresholds tied to business impact. Regularly conduct chaos experiments in staging or controlled production subsets to uncover hidden weaknesses and foster a blameless post-mortem culture to turn incidents into learning opportunities for the entire team. In the next 3 months, adoption will accelerate noticeably as more teams face production incidents caused by AI-generated code and rapid deployments, leading to wider integration of shift-right practices into standard quality playbooks and more vendor tools offering seamless production observability. 9. QA Ops and deeper integration of quality into DevOps pipelines. QA Ops extends DevOps by fully embedding quality assurance into operations, CI/CD pipelines, and cross-functional teams, promoting continuous collaboration between developers, testers, and operations for faster, higher quality deliveries. This approach addresses silos and is frequently mentioned in 2025 or 2026 trend analyses as a logical next step beyond traditional DevOps. My advice is to begin with a pilot by automating quality gates, such as security scans, performance thresholds, and unit test coverage, directly within existing CI/CD workflows, then gradually expand to include operations metrics and real-time feedback. Encourage joint ownership through shared dashboards, regular cross-team rituals like quality-focused retrospectives, and training programs that teach developers basic testing skills while upskilling testers in infrastructure as code. Over the next 3 months, QA Ops will solidify as a mainstream practice with emerging case studies from larger enterprises, improved tooling support for seamless integration, and greater emphasis on metrics that tie quality directly to deployment velocity and reliability. 8. Security embedded as a non-negotiable core of software quality. With rising cyber threats and regulatory requirements, security testing has evolved from an add-on to an intrinsic element of software quality. DevSecOps integrates vulnerability scanning, threat modeling, and secure by design principles throughout the lifecycle, appearing prominently in December discussions and 2026 forecasts. My advice is to shift security left aggressively by automating scans for common vulnerabilities such as OWASP top 10 issues, including injection attacks and insecure dependencies in every pull request, conducting regular threat modeling sessions during design, and providing ongoing security training for all team members. Implement zero trust principles and continuous compliance checks to ensure security remains proactive rather than reactive. In the coming 3 months, increasing regulatory scrutiny and high-profile breaches will drive faster adoption, resulting in more standardized DevSecOps toolchains, built-in security features in major platforms, and a cultural shift where security is viewed as everyone's responsibility in quality engineering. 7. Agent Ops and governance for autonomous AI agents in testing. Agent Ops focuses on managing, evaluating, observing, and providing human-in-the-loop feedback for autonomous AI agents that handle testing tasks. This emerging discipline addresses reliability, traceability, and trust in agent-driven processes and is gaining traction in end-of-2025 conversations. My advice is to establish clear evaluation frameworks with metrics for accuracy, safety, and efficiency. Implement comprehensive tracing to log agent decisions and maintain human oversight for critical paths. Start with semi-autonomous agents for repetitive tasks while gradually scaling to more complex scenarios, always documenting fallback procedures. The next 3 months should see rapid maturation of agent ops practices with dedicated frameworks, best practice guides, and initial enterprise pilots emerging as agent usage in quality workflows expands significantly. 6. Validation and quality checks for AI-generated code. As AI tools generate code at unprecedented speed, the bottleneck has shifted to reviewing and validating it for production readiness, including subtle bugs, security issues, and maintainability problems. Tools like deterministic analyzers and MCP servers are highlighted in recent posts and blogs as critical countermeasures. My advice is to layer deterministic static analysis, taint tracking, and security rule engines on top of AI generation workflows, integrating them directly into IDEs or agents for real-time feedback. Combine this with human review for architecture and business logic, and maintain strict standards for test coverage on AI-produced code to catch issues early. In the next 3 months, these validation tools will become essential components in developer toolchains, with major adoption waves reducing debugging time on AI output and prompting new standards for AI code quality assurance. 5. Advanced shift-left testing with early defect prevention. Shift-left continues to evolve, emphasizing testing from requirements through design and early development to prevent defects rather than just detect them. It receives consistent attention as a foundational practice in modern quality engineering. My advice is to involve quality experts from the requirements phase, automate checks for ambiguous specifications, and implement fast feedback loops through unit tests, contract testing, and pair programming. Use AI to assist in generating initial test cases while ensuring human validation for completeness and relevance. Over the next 3 months, shift-left will become even more deeply ingrained in agile and DevOps teams, supported by enhanced AI tools for early-stage automation and more metrics demonstrating its impact on overall cycle time and defect rates. 4. Predictive analytics, self-healing tests, and intelligent diagnosis. AI-powered predictive capabilities that forecast defect-prone areas, auto-adapt flaky tests, and provide root cause analysis are gaining momentum, reducing maintenance overhead, and enabling proactive quality. My advice is to invest in data-driven platforms that learn from historical failures, implement self-healing mechanisms for UI tests, and use predictive models to prioritize high-risk areas. Regularly review and refine these systems to avoid over-reliance on automation. In the coming 3 months, broader implementation will occur as AI maturity improves, leading to significant efficiency gains and wider acceptance of intelligent testing features across organizations. 3. Ethical AI, bias detection, compliance, and governance in quality processes. With AI deeply embedded in software, ensuring fairness, transparency, compliance, and ethical use has become a major focus, including testing for bias and regulatory adherence. My advice is to create governance policies for AI in testing, incorporate bias detection and adversarial testing into workflows, and perform regular audits for compliance with standards like GDPR or emerging AI regulations. Document AI decisions for traceability and maintain human oversight for sensitive judgments. The next 3 months will bring more structured frameworks, industry guidelines, and increased discussions on responsible AI practices within quality engineering communities. 2. Dominance of AI-powered test automation and generation. AI continues to lead in generating, executing, and maintaining tests with widespread adoption across tool chains and a shift toward agentic automation. My advice is to adopt AI tools thoughtfully by starting with pilots, maintaining human oversight for complex scenarios, and blending AI with traditional methods for comprehensive coverage. Focus on validation of AI outputs and continuous improvement of prompts. Over the next 3 months, deeper integration of agentic AI will push automation boundaries further, with more proven ROI examples and enterprise-wide scaling. 1. Generative AI fundamentally reshaping the entire software quality lifecycle. Generative AI tops the list as the overarching transformative force, shifting quality from reactive defect hunting to proactive, intelligent assurance across code generation, testing, validation, and operations. My advice is to embrace Gen AI tools strategically while prioritizing validation, human AI collaboration, and ethical guidelines. Train teams on effective prompting, establish clear boundaries for AI use, and measure impact on quality metrics to guide adoption. In the next 3 months, enterprise-scale implementations will surge, supported by accumulating evidence of ROI, more mature tools, and a cultural shift toward AI as a core collaborator in quality engineering. Looking forward to 2026 and 2027, software quality will likely evolve toward fully autonomous quality platforms where AI agents manage much of the testing lifecycle with minimal human intervention. Expect strong growth in quantum-resistant security testing, comprehensive traceability and explainability for AI decisions, hybrid human-AI quality roles, emphasizing strategic oversight, sustainability-focused testing, such as energy-efficient processes, and global regulatory harmonization for AI-driven quality. The field is heading towards highly proactive, intelligent, trust-centric, and resilient assurance systems that keep pace with accelerating software complexity. Hopefully, this video gives you additional insights. What do you think about the hot topics this week? Write your views in the comments section below. In terms of further questions, feel free to write to us. We will analyze all important internet channels and release our analysis report every Monday. Follow or subscribe to this channel to stay up to date and know more than your competitors. Happy testing and see you next time.